Yeah, good evening. Good evening, everybody. I'm glad that you could come here and I can teach you about Earth, the planet we live on. It's not what you think it is, but we do have a beer. It's so complicated that you think it is complicated. It's not complicated. But, as I must say, the Earth is flat. We don't live on a spinning, wet tennis ball. That was something thought up by some old guys 500 years ago. And it's pretty sad. And the point is, if if you want to get on this stream, you can. And this goes out to any human on this planet. So now, the main point is that in technology, as obviously, we have not landed on the moon in that pile of junk. This is fact. And we do not really have any good spacecrafts, so I can go have a cold beer on the moon. But I have the technology. If you give me $1 billion, I'll have you having a cold beer on the moon and shitting on the moon and using 1970 technology, so you'll have lots of energy. Now let's talk solar panel energy. And let's talk electric cars. Big oil wants you and you to pay for their diapers. Think about it. Right. It's 2018. And in 2018, it's not 1492. So get your brain out of your ass. And I would suggest you listen to some intelligence. What if you don't? It's all right. They got you programmed. Now, learning about space and technology is tough stuff. Yeah, you got to think about it. You got to think about physics. You got to think about technology. And you also got to think about who are the inventors on this planet. Well, you're not, but I am. And if you think, and I will have a beer. But remember one thing, that slow people are slow. They'll always be slow. But think about the Antarctic Treaty of 1959. Were you born in 1959? Well, I was born long before 1959. And I'll tell you something. I designed spacecrafts that are hundreds of years ahead of anything we have today. Big time. And if you think you could land on the moon in 1969 with that pile of crap, holy fuck, you must be doing better acid than I was doing in 1969. Now, as far as you people are concerned about my consideration about what the hell is going on the Earth, well, if you wanna blow up the planet, fuck, you want World War III, let's do it now. Fuck the bullshit. Because you have no clue what war is. War is death. War is hell. And fuck, us humans are better than that. And if you think that religion loves you, well, they don't. And if you think there's no aliens, well, you're wrong. But you have to understand two things. Two things. On the planet Earth, we only have one planet. Now you go get all your guns and blow your ass off. But let's blow all our ass off like right now. Let's nuke this planet and then we'll start again. Is that the program? Or is it not? You know, all these people, oh, excuse me, I'm having a heart attack. Well, not really. Not really. But the main thing is that you know, the main tech is, these people are this religion, that religion, this other religion. Ooh, 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 so many religions on a little planet Earth, and we can't even go have a cold beer on the moon. That's pretty bad. They can't prove radiation belts. We can't go have a beer at Area 51. And it's pretty bad. I think we're in a sad state. So I would suggest we use all those nuclear bombs and let's blow this fucker up and get it over with and see what we got and start over again. Now, as far as anything else, I'd like to hear your conversations about fast cars or whatever, fast jets. And of course, it's all bullshit. Because when you're 2 years old, you are 2 years old. You don't know zip. So they indoctrinate you into that stuff. And of course, the earth is flat. It's always been flat. This ball earth and the ball earth and all the planets are billions and billions and trillions of miles away. That's a bloody joke. Can you prove what they said to you? No, you can't. You can't prove nothing. All you can prove is you went to school and you got grade 2. grade 2. And oh, how could you prove that the moon and the sun is so many miles away? 93 million miles away. They can't prove none of that. That's a pile of shit. You see, I'm trying to help deprogram you by the aliens. And I'm not an alien. I'm a human like you. So, remember, have a beer, relax, don't take X-Lax. Sit down with your lovely young lady and go, and that's the best. And stop this killing each other over crazy religions, because that's a pile of shit. So, the earth is flat.